At AVADirect, we've been assembling custom PCs to customer specs since 2000. When we say custom, we mean that your imagination is the limit. Because of that, some configurations require a little bit of problem solving. Just this week, we had an order for 7 Threadripper motherboards. Now, these are typically put inside a large server chassis, which are built for boards like this. But you know that we let the customer customize their system however they want, so these motherboards went inside a standard PC case, which can technically fit the motherboards, but some problem solving was required to make sure that they fit good and look good too. So, using the ports on the case, we rerouted the fan and power supply cables through, and used the hard drive bays on the side to connect the power supply cables to the board without pulling them tight. We also added a CPU bracket that we 3D printed ourselves to add an extra fan pointed directly at the CPU to help with thermals in the system. This way, our customer doesn't need to change the case, power supply, or the board itself to get the configuration that they wanted. When we say customize without compromise, this is what we mean. If there's a way to make it happen, we'll do it.
If you're looking to customize your own PC, go to avadirect.com or call 1-866-766-4629.